Welcome to Emmelac Online tutorial. Let us look at this interesting algebraic question, and it reads that if a raised to 2 plus 1 equals a, then what is a raised to 12 plus a raised to 6 plus 1? Alright, this is a very tricky question, but you just need a good knowledge of algebra and its formulas to resolve this. So let's just get started. Alright, first, what do we do? I want to first of all make this equation equals 0 by taking a or moving a to the left hand side. Now, and that gives us a squared, then minus a plus 1 equals 0. Okay, now I actually look at this part, okay, and I was able to figure out that I can reduce all this or simplify it further to be a raised to 3 or raised to 4. Okay, and this is because this is according to the exponent rule, where you have that a raised to m times raised to n, a raised to m raised to n is the same thing as a raised to m n. Okay, so then plus a raised to 3 or raised to 2, then plus 1. Okay, now but if I'm able to figure out the value of a raised to 3 and I plug those value here, then I should be able to find or to evaluate this expression here. Okay, so then the question is, how then do we get a raised to 3 from this equation? Now what we just need to do here is to recall one of the algebraic equation that says a raised to 3 plus 1 equals a plus 1, then into a raised to 2 minus a plus 1. Okay, now you can see that from here the whole of this, that is a raised to 2 minus a plus 1 equals 0, which is applicable here, that if you plug in the 0 here, it means that the whole of the right hand side here will be equals to 0. Okay, so which implies that a raised to 3 plus 1 would then be what? 0. Okay, and if a raised to 3 plus 1 equals 0, it also implies that when we add, when we subtract 1 from both sides of the equation, we end up having a raised to 3 then equals negative 1. Okay, now that I've gotten the value of a raised to 3, which is negative 1, all we just need to do here now at this point is to plug in negative 1 here, negative 1 here, then we find out our result. So here we have negative 1 all raised to 4, then plus negative 1 all raised to 2, then plus 1. Now since this value here is even, it means that the outcome or the output here will be 1. Okay, then plus here also it is what? Even, so the output will also be what? 1, then plus 1, then all equals what? 3. So therefore a raised to 12 plus a raised to 6 plus 1 equals 3 as the final answer to the question. Alright, if you love what I've just done, kindly like and share, and please don't fail to comment. Thank you and remain blessed. Bye bye.